Do you want to be able to fix can't be invited as collaborator yet on Instagram? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can actually fix this issue, because I used to have the exact same problem before, but I'm going to show you exactly how I fixed it myself. So the first step is going to be for us to go into our Instagram app and then come to our profile right here. As you can see, now, when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. What I'm going to do now on this page is to click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Now on this page, just scroll down, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says help. So click on help. Now we're going to click on reports a problem in here. Now once again click on reports a problem, then click on include and continue. The reason why you need to be taken to this page right here is because in here we're actually able to contact the Instagram customer support, and they are the ones that can actually help us to fix this issue. Because as I said before, I used to have the exact same issue myself, and I went in here and I actually wrote like this to be able to make this work. So I wrote like this: I am having issues with not being able to be invited as a collaborator on Instagram. I need this to be fixed. So basically, write exactly like this now to them. I am having issues with not being able to be invited as a collaborator on Instagram. I need this to be fixed. And now you can click on send in the top right corner. And basically, what you need to do now is to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram support to be able to see this message from you. They will not reply back to you. Just wait 24 to 48 hours and then try again. And hopefully, after that, this issue will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.